Initially we thought we might be able to get the cup, but with the virtual tour, what we're doing at school, we're going to have a little bit of a presentation about the cup. We'll show the race. We'll talk about the tradition of the cup. The tradition Gympie High is over 100 years old as well, and we'll talk about the resilience of people in our community at the moment and the resilience of people in the racing industry and of the cup itself. It will endure irrespective of what happens with COVID, and obviously about success.
I remember when the race was actually on, it was last period in biology, but it was playing in the background. So we all heard, and we heard that Vow and Declare, our principal's horse, was coming first. And then it actually won, and to see our principal on TV, it seemed a little surreal. So we had the virtual tour with our principal, and we got to see messages from the jockey and the head of the racing group in Victoria, and it was really good. It was all about resilience.
Brought a fair bit of joy to the school, so it's nice to be able to share it.